Done.
Hello class 8. In this video I will discuss with you lesson 16 amazing places from general knowledge. My dear student, you know very well that India is a country of diversity. We find the geographical diversity in India. From south or from north to south and from east to west, we find the various places or a type of geographical divisions, and in these divisions we find the various places which are amazing or wonderful according to their important or special features. These features can be related with their historical importance, with their geographical importance, with their cultural importance, and that is why it is very essential to know about them, because India is a country of geographical diversity and diverse culture, and it make India and it makes India very unique, not only in India but all over the world. So here now you may see I have written the important amazing places on this particular whiteboard, which I will discuss with you one by one. And these all important places are also discussed in your GK book. So I am writing all the important things which are written in your book on this whiteboard, and you have to fill your book according the discussion on this whiteboard. And I am also giving the question related to the lessons to you. Now I am coming to the amazing places one by one, and the first place is Khardungla Pass. Khardungla Pass is, a type of pass, a type of a geographical way, and it is, located in Ladakh. It is a type of natural way or pass. And you will see that it is one of the highest motorable road in India. Means it is located on the top, but the vehicles can run on this particular Khardungla Pass located in Leh. The second very important, you may see the amazing place known as the Roopkund. Roopkund is observed as a lake, and it is located in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, a state of India. My dear student, this particular lake is important. Why? Because here we find the accumulation of the collection of the skeleton, and that is why this lake is known as the skeleton lake also. Here we find the bones of the Eastern Mediterranean people. They came from the Himalayan region to India just before, near about 220 years ago, and they live here, they survive here, and their skeleton or bones as an evidence here are found in this particular lake. So there is a historical importance of Roopkund Lake. The third is Dhanushkodi. Dhanushkodi, shares land border between India and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka, which is the neighboring country of India, and Dhanushkodi, you may see, share land border between India and Sri Lanka. Dhanushkodi is also known as the lost land or ghost land. The next very important, amazing place of India written in your book and on whiteboard also, Karya Mata Temple. The Karya Mata Temple is located in Deshnok in Rajasthan. Means this temple is located in Rajasthan, and where? In Deshnok. Why this temple? Why is this temple important? Well, because here we find the worship of rats. These rats are, my dear student, are harmless. They never give harm to others, and people, come to this temple and they offer them sweets and other important things for these rats. And these rats are observed as child. So this is the speciality of this Karya Mata temple located in Rajasthan. Now, after then, Longewala battlefield. Longewala battlefield is also known as Hunters at Dawn. You know very well that in the year of 1971, there was a war between India and Pakistan. And after this war, there was the existence or emergence of a country, Bangladesh or East Pakistan. In this particular war, this particular Longewala place is very, very important for the battle or for this war importance. Actually, it was the battlefield where in the year of 1971 during the Indo-Pak war, only 120 Indian soldiers defeated 3,000 Pakistani soldiers. That is why this particular battlefield is very important for us. Why? Because it, gives glory for our Indian army, or it tells the victory of our Indian army. And the last amazing place is Magnetic Hill. This hill is also known as Cyclops Hill, and it is also located in Leh. It is known to defy gravity. Here you find the lack of gravity, and that is why this particular hill is the matter of curiosity of the people, those who go there and those who live there. My dear student, you may see that these all places are no doubt, due to their speciality, due to their characteristics and due to their features, are very important. But we find some other places also which is very important according to their amazing facts. So these all places which I have discussed to you, these all places are, you will fill in your book as an exercise, and according to this particular discussion related to lesson 16 amazing places, I will ask a question to you. Note down and learn the amazing places given in this lesson. You have to fill these all places in your book. After then, you will learn the importance of these all places. I hope you will do it, and I hope you understood it. Thank you very much.